Welcome back to the POW-Mister channel. In this video, we will show you how to complete the wiring for the POW-ELITE 10.6KW all-in-one solar inverter. First, use the screw provided in the accessory kit to install the 4-volt mounting brackets onto the sides of the inverter. Then mount the inverter onto the wall using expansion bolts. In this demonstration, the inverter is temporarily installed on an OSB board, so expansion bolts are not used. However, in the real installations, always use expansion bolts and mount the inverter on a solid, reliable wall to prevent the risk of unit falling. Thanks to its IP66 protection rating, the inverter is suitable for a wide range of indoor and outdoor installation environments, greatly improving installation flexibility. After mounting the inverter, remove the terminal cover, loosen the grounding wire connected between the cover and the inverter body so the cover can fully be removed. Remember to reconnect the grounding wire before reinstalling the cover later. Now begin the wiring process. First, connect the battery positive and negative terminals. Next, connect the utility input, including the live wire, neutral wire, and ground wire. If a generator is used, connect the generator's live and neutral wires to the corresponding generator input terminals. Then connect the live, neutral, and ground wires for output 1 and output 2 to their respective terminals. Throughout the wiring process, always make sure that polarity and live-neutral connection are correct. Next, connect the POW-ELITE. With its dual MPPT design, the inverter supports two separate PV strings. Each MPPT provides two pairs of positive and negative terminals, allowing the same PV strings to be paralleled directly at the inverter. This helps avoid need for oversized cables when the total PV current is high. Here we demonstrate only one pair of PV terminals as an example. Next is BMS communication. If your battery does not support BMS communication, you can skip this step. Use an RS-485 communication cable. Connect one end to the inverter's BMS port and the other end to the battery's RS-485 port. Once all basic wiring is complete, reinstall the terminal cover and remember to reconnect the grounding wire that was removed earlier. Now you are ready to start the inverter. First, close the battery circuit breaker to supply the battery power to the inverter. Then press and hold the power button on the right side of the inverter until the screen displays startup. After entering the home screen, tap the inverter icon in the center of the display. Then tap System On to start the system. After a short wait, once the inverter is running normally, close the PV and utility input circuit breakers. That concludes the wiring demonstration for the POW-ELITE 10.6KW all-in-one solar inverter. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and in the next video we will walk you through the system settings. See you in the next video.